Hey guys, in this video I'm showcasing the Clipsal Saturn light switches. So they come in different size. So we got one with just a single switch. This one right here, this is a single switch right here. And then we got the 4 switches. This one here is a single switch. And this is a 4 switch. This is the button right here. So when you press it, click like that. Now after using this for some times, the buttons may get worn out, so it's a bit harder to press. The new one, the button should be easily to press on and off, like so. Okay, so let's take a look at one of them. So this is the 4 switch version. You can take this plate cover off, like so. Here we can take it out. So it hangs in by these 4 clips here. And when you take it off, this is the inside of the switchboard. If this part is broken, you can try to remove this and replace it with an alternative one. So hopefully it's easy to remove. Hopefully they are just clips that you can simply remove. And here are the cables at the back of the switch. So these are all the different cables coming out from the switch right here. And each of these buttons, when you press on it, it's like that. So this is like a rubber being stapled down. And then you just basically put on top of that to cover it. Now this is a white color, but then you also have other plate cover as well. So this is what it looks like when you press on it. There's a light ring around it. So this one's got to the exhaust fan. This is for the light. One for the heating rail. So that's the light switch right there. Okay, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.